welcome to the 131st Rose Parade.
On a day like this, what's really most important? Well, first, that the hundreds of thousands of people here at Pasadena's Rose Parade have a great time. After all, that's what it's all about. But equally what really matters is that every single person here is safe. And to ensure that, we at MERIDIAN Rapid Defence Group set up a ring of security around the entire 5.5-mile parade route. And while the barriers give a solid wall of protection, as you can see, they're also designed to be unobtrusive and easy for the crowds to move through. And to cater for that, we use the very latest in hostile vehicle mitigation technology. It's the Archer barrier. Here's MERIDIAN's CEO, Peter Whitford.
Here we are. This is a pretty typical setup for us today, which is a new standard in barriers. In the past, what has happened, there have been concrete barriers, there have been water barriers, and they've never allowed people the freedom of access to go through and be protected at the same time. So what we've got is we've got pedestrian access, emergency vehicle access, and we're doing it with the MERIDIAN Archer barrier, the Archer 1200, which is the new standard based on Homeland Security and the Safety Act.
Now, every single street leading to the parade route is guarded by our barriers. The same barriers also protected the nearby Rose Bowl, where the big college football game was played later that same day. MERIDIAN works with organisers to ensure the barriers aren't obtrusive and blend in with what's ever going on at the event. And that's what George Cunningham, the Rose Bowl CEO, liked about them.
The customization, working with the MERIDIAN team to be able to design, customize the product, make it your own color, put different logos on it.
The setup, not a problem. Our teams moved in the night before, and because the barriers, while sturdy, are easy to move and place, the lockdown of the parade route was done in a matter of hours rather than days when other more cumbersome security barriers are involved. But while easy to move, they truly do have the power to save lives. Here's Peter Whitford again.
The Archer 1200 barrier is made of 700 pounds of American steel. It's 2 feet wide, it's 3 feet high, it's 4 feet long. It has the best stopping power of any mobile barrier in its class. It'll stop vehicles, 3,500 pound vehicles to 5,000 pound vehicles traveling at 30 miles an hour within 7 to 10 feet. It's an outstanding product. It's best in class, Archer 1200. It is for every single event.
Around the world, you'll see them. Our barriers also protected the crowds at Mardi Gras in New Orleans, the Australian Open tennis, US Air Force bases as far away as Afghanistan. They're also at universities and shopping malls and the important seaports of Los Angeles and San Diego. Really, the world needed a better barrier, and now they have one.